What I can assure you, let me demystify the feeling that the party is going to Nambole united and they might work out. Actually, the party is going to Nambole not united because everybody is going with his or her candidate. So you will expect that two camps are going to enter Nambole. But after the voting process, FDC is going to walk out as one camp because they will have one candidate. So the going in may look divided, but I can tell you the getting out is going to be much more united. And we shall walk out stronger and united more than we entered Nambole.
Would it have ended the rifts that you have in the party?
I don't think we have had rifts really to talk about rifts. We've had some challenges in the past which has been harmonized, as I said earlier. Every individual, there's a conflict of interest. You know, even us in this house, why do this conflict come? It's about methods of work and perception of things. So these differences in perceptions and methods of work has been interpreted. In any case, in any society, there's conflict. The most fundamental thing, if you tell me there's no conflict in any society, in any family, in any organization, I would dispute that fact. But the most important thing is that where conflict arises, how do you manage it? In any case, conflict exists. By the way, conflict exists even within an individual alone. You know, the mind keeps on reasoning and say, should I do this, should I do that? That is conflict. So when you are two, it becomes even more. So an organization like FDC, if you don't see conflict, then I want to assure you, just turn your back and say FDC is dead because there is no conflict. Where there is conflict, it strengthens the party because then conflict can only be managed